In this video, I will provide instructions to install Live Server extension in Visual Studio Code. The Live Server helps to automatically refresh the browser when a HTML file is modified and saved. To install the Live Server extension, first open Visual Studio Code. Then click on the extensions icon available in the left-hand side. In this search box that appears, type Live Server. A list of extensions will be displayed in the bottom. From this list, choose this Live Server extension from Ritwik Day and click Install. It might take some time to load and install the extension. Once we see the options disable and uninstall displayed, it means that the Live Server extension is successfully installed.